welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my monthly cleaning routine. So I'm going to go through some of the things that I like to get done on a monthly basis. If you haven't seen my daily and weekly cleaning routine, they will be in an iCard above as well as linked down below. So be sure to check those out, and let's get into some of the things I do monthly. Alright, so this isn't really a monthly cleaning task, but I like to use my diffuser, so I'm using the Grove Collaborative Awake Blend just to set the mood a little bit. And then the next thing I'm going to use is these Tide Machine Wash Cleaner. So I'm going to throw this in. It's actually a loose powder. Put that in my washing machine, and then I'm just going to run it on a regular cycle with hot water. Alright, so the next thing I'm using are these Finish dishwasher cleaner. They're like little tabs you stick in, and you can actually put them in with a full load in the dishwasher. So kind of like the Tide, I like using things like this that you can set in and you can just let them go, and they're getting a cleaning task done that you don't need to do daily or weekly, but you can get other things done at the same time. So now that I have the dishwasher going with the Finish pods, I'm going to go ahead and clean in my oven. I like to make sure this gets cleaned. I do spot clean it if something did spill, but I just like to go ahead and deep clean the oven so that nothing gets caked in on there and you don't get any funky smells when you're cooking other things. Okay, so now I'm using a homemade carpet cleaner and deodorizer that I made with some baking soda and essential oils. If you guys would like to see a video on DIY household cleaners, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and I'll film that for you guys. But I'm just putting it on the carpet and the couches, waiting a little bit, and then vacuuming it up. Alright, so I'm slightly embarrassed to show how dusty the bathroom fan is, but because it's on the ceiling, I tend to forget about it, so I just like to make sure at least once a month I go in and vacuum it up and wipe it all down so that there's not a bunch of dust sitting up there. So that's what I'm going to do right now. One tip for you guys would be to start off with the vacuum and then use a rag and a cleaner. If I could go back and do it again, I definitely would have used the vacuum first, just because a lot of the more bigger pieces of dust ended up on the floor, but either way it worked. Just would probably do the vacuum first. main monthly chore that I like to get done is going through and cleaning all the windows. We don't have kids, and so there's not a bunch of fingerprints all over our windows, but I do like to make sure at least once a month I go through and clean the insides of all the windows. I do like to clean the outsides on more of a seasonal basis, so normally in the spring and in the fall, but I like to do that after we've pressure washed the house as well. It just makes it a little bit easier to get everything off. Luckily our windows are tilt windows, so I can just tilt them in from the inside and wipe down the outside of the windows, but right now I'm just doing all of the inside. And that pretty much wraps up my monthly cleaning routine. There are some things that I will add to it, but those are the main ones. Be sure to check out my upcoming video that is going to help you guys create a cleaning routine that will be perfect for you and your lifestyle. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I love to talk to you guys. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Bye guys.